In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a custom domain to Lovable AI. Open up Lovable AI, then go to all projects and find your web app which you want to connect a custom domain to. Once you have your web app open, then you will click on Publish here in the top right, and then you need to select Add Custom Domain. This is going to take us to this page, and you can connect a domain you already own, so I will choose that option. Now bear in mind that you will need to have a pro subscription in order to do this. You will need to enter the domain name you would like to connect to your project. So now I am just going to go to Hostinger because that's going to be my domain provider, and I will just get my domain here and copy it. Okay, so once you paste your domain name, you will click on Connect Domain, and we will need to complete some further steps here. So once it has processed, you can use your domain with Lovable. So here you can click on Continue. It is going to analyze it. It is going to detect the DNS provider, and it is going to help with the setup. Now here what we need to do is to log in order to use our domain. So I'm just going to do that. Gonna come back in a second. Okay, so if the social login doesn't work for you, then another way of how we can link it is by clicking on Manual Setup. So I've just clicked on Manual Setup, and now you need to go to your domain provider and the domain portfolio here, and we are just gonna click on Manage. Once you click on Manage, you will need to go into your DNS section of your provider. And then for the name servers, we need to copy this. So this is going to be a record at, and this is going to be the value. So what we need to do is to delete whatever records we have here. So I'm just going to delete them, and I'll add a new one, a at, and this is going to be the value. So you want to click on Add Record. Afterwards, you will add the second record as well. So here it's going to be a txt. So the type is going to be txt. This is going to be the name, and the value, you can again copy it and paste it right here, and you will just add the record. Okay, once you have done this, I'm just going to click on this. I have added the records above to my domain provider. You will click on that option. You're all set. If you set up the DNS records on the prior screen, will be successfully connected. Okay, once you click on Done, now it is going to verify it. They can take up to 72 hours, but usually it is going to be faster. And right here, after a few minutes, you will have connected your domain. As you can see, currently it's setting it up, and after a while, this is going to change to live. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.